Alright, hi everyone. So in this video we'll talk about this Arduino project handbook. I've been thinking of handling one complex project, not for the complexity, but for real life application. One customer, a project or a device or a system customers will actually need. Okay, not just okay, yeah, you get the point. So but before we get to that complex project, you know that we have to master the basics. So fortunately, one of my lecturers sent me this PDF. That's Engineer Technique. 5 practical projects to get you started. And once you master the basics, complex projects which are actually useful to customers are just combination of basics, on good understanding of basics. So before going to complex projects in this YouTube channel, we'll do these basics, and even these basic projects also have fun and interesting ones. So interesting projects. So we're going to go over this. There are 25 of them, and if you look at the content, you see this. They are in different parts. Part 1, LEDs, have 6 projects. Then part 2, sound, 3 servers, LCD, and so on. Okay, so before the first one, there is one where they just get one of the projects. Yeah, that's page 31. Testing your Arduino, blinking an LED. We have done this and uploaded in our YouTube channel already. Then I think from page 44, they started the first one. Yeah, project 1, push button controlled LED. So I think I've simulated this one, but not the real. I've not done it. Now I have the kit, so I can do these things in real life, not just simulations again. Because while you watch the videos, you can also follow up. If you have the components, if you have the kit. If you do not have the kit, you can use your walkway, which the lecturer also sent, recommended for me. Then I also found out about Tinkercad, which is also interesting. So you can use that and follow up and get this idea. If you can master these basics along with me, I believe you enjoy it. Then one great thing about this series, should I call it a series? One great thing about this is that I'm going to explain all the codes, all the programs step by step. We are not just going to copy and paste it. We are going to explain all the programs, why we've written a particular instruction, then all the connection, why is it connected this way. We'll all enjoy it. Okay, so see you in the next video where we head to the first project.